Hello my viewers and subscribers, welcome back. We have been away for some weeks now, working on structural consultancies assignment, and then as we make progress, I will be bringing you some design on the consultancy assignment we'll be working on successfully. Once again, you are welcome. In today's presentation, in this video, you will learn how to cut 3D section, just as I have in this window of a story 2 3D right there. Okay, so if I should come to the 3D cube right there, by this corner I clicked it will object it to the 3D orientations of this model. As you can see, some part of it has been cut successfully, and here is the full model. Okay, this is actually a 10 floors story building. Okay, one of the buildings we are running consultancy on, right? And so to cut these sections is what you're going to learn, and again you are also going to be understanding how to user defined tile members, just like this. As you can see, this PILECAP has a variable thickness, as you can see. All right, and then there are a lot of piles right here, okay, which I will tell you the reason why we have all of these piles just in massive like this in this structure in this video. So stay tuned, stay connected, go nowhere, and let us get started. But so to cut the section of this, you must make sure that you actually have enough instructions memory, and as well as a very powerful system properties, so that it can be effective in the case of a high-rise structure of this kind. Okay, if not, it is going to take a longer time for it to be effective. All right, so for you to cut any part of the section, just as I've done it successfully here, as you can see, okay, you just have to get that particular part, okay, selected. And how do you select? Like this is 10 stories right here, so we can navigate to the front by selecting the front on the cube right there. So to get to the front, so with this we can be able to highlight any numbers of story that we actually wanted. So you can do a window just like this to highlight. You can get it up to this point and release your hand. Okay, so after you release your hand, you have it selected. All right, so having it selected just like this, what you just have to do is you will have to right click. Okay, so once you right click, you can see an options here, show selected only, hide selected only. Okay, so these two options is the option you are going to use to actually show or hide the selected object successfully. Okay, so this is how you actually cut off some part of it, some part of the whole structure, and then have some part being viewed. Okay, an advantage of this will help you to actually navigate through the stories and be able to work effectively on any hidden provisions in the whole structure successfully. All right, so after which you will notice that this will be cut successfully, just like this. Once you click on show or hide, okay, the selected part of the whole structure, it will cut just like this, and you will see your structure just in this format, of which you can be able to navigate and work on each of these structural members at this floor. Okay, you can as well navigate to the next floor, be able to cut it and see how you can actually work effectively, successfully. And again, I want to let you know that any cut you made in any of this window does not affect the next one. Okay, like for this window, okay, I've cut this and I'm still having a full 3D here in this window. So if you create multiple window by coming to the view provisions or tab right there, so you can now see you can create tile vertical. You can also smart it into 3 provisions, and as well horizontal, and then you can set it to be full, which is the single window right there, successfully using these provisions. Okay, so if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section successfully, and I'll attend to your questions. Okay, So don't forget, there is a link in the description of this video that you can join our group chat, where you can also ask your questions, and then you get response as fast as possible. Okay, and then there are also templates that you can also use to fast track your structural design standard drawings in the description of the video. You can check that out. Okay, so let us make progress on the foundation aspect of this structure. This is their story. Okay, so this has been actually analyzed and designed for. At first, I want to be telling you why we have a lot of piles right here. We have a lot of piles right here because we were having an existing piles, okay, in the construction site of this building. Okay, this building was originally constructed as 5 floors, okay, and it was pile foundations. So there are pile points with piles right there already on this site. Okay, so they want to make it a 10 floors, so they needed a kind of a technical consultancies in the aspect of civil structural engineering. Okay, so now we have to first of all create the existing piles, okay, and then we start to mark out the points for the new piles and see how this can be able to carry the whole structure successfully after comparing the structural loads and the capacities of the piles successfully. That is why you have plenty of piles right in this structure, and not most of these piles you see are existing at site already. Okay, so for you to be able to do this in Protastructure, you need a technical knowledge of the use of Protastructure, which subsequently I will be explaining some of these things to us, how to carry out this effectively in Protastructure. And you should also join our essential advanced training in Protastructure. You have the opportunity to actually learn the nitty-gritty of most of these tricks in Protastructure successfully. So you can see here, this is just like a kind of a slab, okay, with a given thickness, all right, produced in these provisions, and then you can see how these piles we are placing at an equal intervals, okay, along the center point of this particular slab. So this now serves as the PILECAP, okay, to this piles successfully. So the same thing applicable to this particular center, and then you can see the depth or thickness differences between the first slab and the second slab, which is going to serve as the PILECAP successfully. Okay, and all of these are going to be designed successfully, but in this case you are going to design this slab using a finite elements method of design successfully. Okay, so the pile also you are to check the load carrying capacities, which you will use to design it in Protastructure detail successfully. Okay, so this is the reason why you see much of these piles in this structure successfully. All right, so in the next video I will be explaining more on how you can actually get this done effectively using Protastructure 2022 successfully. If you have any question, you can actually post or drop it in the comment sections, and as well we'll be looking at the roofing aspect of this. Okay, so you can see some reinforced concrete beams right there, okay, along the columns directions that is going to carry the steel roof trusses successfully. We will also look at that effectively, okay, as we make progress. All right, so this will bring us to the end of this project presentations on why we should actually carry out user-defined pile members, and as well as AutoCAD sections. I believe this is well explained successfully. Okay, so you are very much welcome. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and see you in the next presentations. Have a great day and God bless. Bye for now.